Now, point and click will require that examinees click on a part of a graphic to answer the actual problem. So here's an example. Say we're given a TS diagram for a Rankine cycle, and we're asked where work is delivered. Now, if we know that work is delivered through the turbine, which is illustrated by the vertical line between points 2 and 3, so we would take our mouse and we would click on that line to denote that that's where work is delivered in a typical Rankine cycle. Now here's another example of a point and click, and one I wanted to kind of give you a little note on, little teaching point here. So say we're given the stress strain curve as illustrated. Click on the point that corresponds to the ultimate tensile strength. So we know that the ultimate tensile strength of this material is going to occur at the very end of the curve, where I just put in X, and that corresponds with some level of stress. Now the NCES is going to define some reasonable area that will be scored as correct for the placement of your X, or where you click on the diagram. Now, I don't know how this is going to be defined, but this is my best guess. Say that we click here on the diagram where I just have that blue X, or we click here on the curve where we see that second blue X. Now this is my assumption. Again, it's complete speculation, but I assume that this is going, the green box that you're seeing here, that's going to be our reasonable area that is scored as correct. Or maybe it'll pull it a little left from the y-axis, from the stress axis, and not allow you to go all the way back. Or maybe it will, I don't know. But anything along that stress line, I'm assuming, is going to be a reasonable area for a correct answer. So that means, you know, the first click down here in this area of the curve, the red X, will be wrong, but the one that's in the general reasonable area for a correct option will actually be correct.